Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I hope that you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty and taking care of your health. Yes, students, I hope that you all have done your homework which I have given you in the last class. What I had given you? Yes, you had to write a essay on my favorite personality. And I hope that you have done, and by following my points or my steps which I have taught you in the last class, जो उम्मीद है आप सबने उन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए अपना ऐसे कंप्लीट किया होगा. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टुडे, वी हैव टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑन माय फेवरेट प्लेस. Yes, students, today we have to write a paragraph, not an essay. Essay is composed of more than one paragraph. As you know, essay has 3 or more than 3 paragraphs, but paragraph is only one paragraph, which includes the introductory lines, in which we also add the details, and the ending lines in only one paragraph. Okay, so we have to write paragraph on my favorite place today. And what we have to do today, it is your book exercise 1 of writing, page number 15. Okay, so you have to write a paragraph, but here we have a restriction that we have to use this preposition of position which we have learned in the previous exercise. We have to use the preposition of positions in our paragraph. So we have to select a place which is your favorite, and then we have to add the prepositions on the in the paragraph. Okay, now students, we have to write a paragraph. It is your book exercise 1 of page number 15, and the place which I have selected is my neighborhood park. My favorite place is my neighborhood park. First of all, I would like to tell you the details what can we add when we talk about a place. So first we have to write introduction or introductory lines. If you are talking about a favorite place or the place you admire most, so you have to tell the reason first, that why do you like this place. Okay, then location, then why is the place which you are describing, which you are going to describe, is famous for, why it is famous for. Then its important features. After it, how often you go there, you can add this line, and then conclusion. First we have to tell the introduction. If I talk about my neighborhood park, then I have to introduce the park by telling that park is a place where people love to go for getting refreshment, to get refreshed, or especially children love to go there, and it increases their mental and physical development. Then you have to tell the reason that why this park is your favorite place. I like my neighborhood park. My favorite place is my neighborhood park because of its mesmerizing, appealing, or enchanting natural beauty or natural scenes that attracts me a lot. It is my neighborhood park. Neighborhood means within a town, the place which is within your town or city. So it is my neighborhood park. It is the location of the park, and then you have to tell the reason that why it is famous for. This park is famous for cleanliness, well maintenance. क्यों फेमस है, आपको ये रीज़न देना होगा. तो जो भी रीज़न हो आप वो दे सकते हैं. इसकी सफाई की वजह से फेमस है, एंड ड्यू टू इट्स नेचुरल ब्यूटी, गुड प्लांटेशन, एंड सो ऑन. जो भी रीज़न हो वो आपको देना होगा. ओके, then what you have to do, you have to tell the important features of the park, like benches, trees, plants, fountain, jogging track, swings. How can you tell them? I am going to tell you. It is very big and having lush green trees. It has beautiful flowers with lovely and enchanting fragrance. The benches are under the tall trees. Remember girls, you have to use the prepositions also. So be careful while adding the sentence. You have to add a preposition according to your sentence to show its position or place. There is a tuck shop to the right side of the entrance. The park has a jogging track where people usually jog in the morning or in the evening. Swings. Coming to swings. Swings for children are the main attraction. Children also enjoy boating here. To the left of the main gate, we can see a huge jumping castle where children are always waiting for their turn. There are many rides such as seesaw, slide, merry-go-round, jungle gym, There are playhouses there and sandboxes and mazes which attracts children a lot. Coming to the fountain, there is a very beautiful fountain in the center of the park and the sparkling water ripples are irresistible. People sit opposite to the swings, the lovely air or the cool breeze, you can say air और क्या कह सकते हैं, the cool breeze, the cool atmosphere attracts everybody. Coming to the food, good food is an adding taste to a fun-filled visit to a park. Lastly, the natural scenes. Now, when you have told all the things about the park, all important features, when you have discussed in your paragraph, then you have to move to the next point, which is how often you go there. I go once in a week, or when I get free, or our family goes to the park every weekend. I go to the park every weekend, whenever you go, okay? जब भी आप जाएंगे, जितनी दफ़ा भी, 2 times a week, every morning, whatever you want to add. जो भी आप ऐड करना चाहेंगे, हर सुबह जाते हैं या हर शाम जाते हैं या once in a week जाते हैं, जो भी आप ऐड करना चाहें. How often you go to the park, okay? And then you have to add concluding lines in the end. Or lastly, the natural scenes of park makes us forget our work for a while and just makes us relaxed or comfortable. Altogether, park area is my favorite place where I enjoy a lot. Where I enjoy a lot means जहाँ मैं सबसे ज़्यादा enjoy करती हूँ, where I feel comfortable, where I feel relaxed. This is what which I have told you today about the park, about your favorite place, that how can you write about your favorite place, what points you should be careful about writing a paragraph on a place. Okay students, now coming to the vocabulary which I have told you while reading the paragraph, while I was reading, while I was telling you the points. So which words we have to use in this paragraph? You have to add this preposition in this paragraph, as I have told you that be careful. You have to use the preposition of position while writing, while composing your creative writing. Above, under, nearby, opposite to, near, across, below, to the right, to the left, similarly or among. And what is the other vocabulary which you have to use, which you can use, and you can add your own words, okay? Neighborhood, lawns, flowers, enchanting, appealing, mesmerizing, attracting, all have the same meaning, okay? Entrance, jogging track, benches, boards, fountain, ripple, lovely air, sweet breeze, natural scenes, relaxed, amusement and recreation. Okay students, what we have done today, we have learned to write a paragraph on my favorite place. And as I have told you that how can we start the paragraph with the introduction. What we have to write in introduction, we can add that why, what is the reason of liking, why do you like this park, okay? क्यों आपको पसंद है, and you can write the definition. What is the place which you like, you can add in this part of the paragraph, okay? सबसे पहले आपको क्या ऐड करना है कि किस जगह को आप पसंद करते हैं और उस जगह को क्यों पसंद करते हैं. You have to tell in introduction portion. Then you have to tell the location of the place. उसके बाद आपको location बतानी है कि वो जगह कहाँ पर है. As I am telling you the neighborhood park, so I have told that park is in my neighborhood. Okay, it is my neighborhood park. Then why it is famous for, क्यों सबसे ज़्यादा मशहूर है, उसकी नेचुरल ब्यूटी की वजह से, नेचुरल सीन्स की वजह से, और या कोई और रीज़न है उसकी मेंटेनेंस की वजह से या उसकी क्लीनलीनेस की वजह से, जिस रीज़न से भी वो फेमस है, you have to tell. Then you have to tell the important features of the place which you are going to write in your paragraph. As I have selected my neighborhood park, that's why I have added or I have collected the features of a park. And what are the features of a park? Trees, plants, flowers, fountain, benches, jogging tracks, swings, and you can add many more things like a mini zoo or rides, electronic rides you can add, very good. Then you can add more than other things than what you can see in your favorite place you can add. Okay, you can add your own ideas. Then you can tell that how often you go there, कब कब आप कितनी दफ़ा जाते हैं पार्क में. once in a week जाते हैं, twice in a week जाते हैं, every morning, every evening. So you can add this line in the end after telling all the features, and then you have to conclude your paragraph by rewriting the statement by using other words. You can conclude the paragraph that it is a place where I feel relaxed or feel comfortable. Whenever I go there, I feel very relaxed. Okay, so by doing this way, you have to end your paragraph, and this is your homework for today. You have to note in your diary that you have to write a paragraph on my favorite place. Okay, it is of 1 page or more than 1 page, not than this. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Paragraph is not very long. Okay students, see you in the next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.